Imagine stepping into a money-making time machine and coming out the other side. A whole new person in a brand new world. One where you bark voice commands at a money-making agent, deploy thousands of AI bots in just a single click, and automate all the things that elite marketers like me do to make over $5,000 per day. Imagine tomorrow, for the first time in a long time, waking up with a bounce in your step, logging in at the start of the day, barking "make money" at the screen, and then just logging off for the day, while the agent unleashes a swarm of 6,000 AI bots, primed to do all the work for you, while you sit back, relax, and watch your affiliate earnings skyrocket. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Because this is the world of the AI agents. A world where you can forget all the exhausting marketing hustles of yesteryear. Because in 2024, your reality is different, simple, unique. And each time you paste into the AI agent, you are placing your order for the type of money-making dish you want served. And then, nothing. Because the AI agent takes over. Now it has not been easy to say all this. It was not simple to unlock this level of money-making potential. For months, I became a hermit, dedicating myself to the creation of the world's first true money-making agent. Sounds tough, hellish, hard, yes. But let me tell you, it was all worth every second. Because today, Agent X makes me up to $5,000 each time I copy-paste into the app. That's because Agent X is not just a standard automation app. It's a fully fledged agent, a real-life AI that actively does what makes money. No more boring training that just tells you what to do. No more software that only automates a tiny part of your business. No more standard AI which simply spits text, but doesn't actually do a thing. This is an agent. This is different and grinds out those mission-critical money-making tasks while you sleep, relax, go to the beach. Put simply, this is an agent designed to do what makes you profit. The AI agent absorbs all those painful responsibilities, from you to it. It pulls the pain into the cloud, while over 6,000 bots do the dirty cash money grind at your behest. So, are you ready to wave goodbye to the exhaustion of manual money-making, to step into the next stage of marketing, where unimagined automation is the new norm, all at your fingertips, and in a single click? In fact, this script, this video, and this page, they were all done with my agent. So, are you excited to get access to all powerful features of Agent X? Okay, great. Then let's get you started. The first step is to click the order button. I will send you an instant access link to the Agent X Chamber of Power, including all the training videos, guides, case studies, and much more. My voice app, the templates, and of course the AI software app itself. But you need to act now. This deal cannot last forever. A world of incredible money-making opportunities is now at your fingertips. So are you ready to finally and fully automate the actual things that really make you money? To forget about the hard graft and start profiting from simplicity? To outsource the pain into the cloud and let the agent swarm take it from there? Okay, great. Then click the order button now. Do it now. Secure your private agent slave while the beta member spots are still open. And while the cost is a low, limited one-time payment, the doors to automated money-making are now open. So why look back? Go ahead. Click the button. Okay, that's it. This video is ending now. So thanks, and I will see you on the other side.